You're watching the Delta's #1 source for weather.
I'm Michael Haynes. This is our weather webcast for Wednesday morning. Some active weather last night north of us. Severe thunderstorms and tornadoes touching down in Kansas and Missouri. Right now, as of around 10 o'clock this morning, exactly 9:30 this morning, still a tornado watch in effect well to the north of us along a cold front. This is beginning to wind back down back to the west, and still some light showers early this morning for most spots. Nothing severe here, at least not right now, but this front will approach throughout the day today, and with very warm, muggy air in place, some of the conditions and parameters are on the table for the possibility of a few severe storms. Not all of them, but we certainly have the deep moisture in place and the very warm temperatures. In fact, these are the temperatures as of 9 o'clock this morning. All of us in the upper 60s and low 70s, warming to the upper 70s here, believe it or not, this afternoon. This warm, moist air coming in from the south in response to this big spring-like storm system that's centered well to the north of us. The surface low, in fact, is just south of Minneapolis, Minnesota. That's actually good news for us. If this were farther to the south, we'd be in a more favorable position for tornadoes. Fortunately, we're not. But having said that, we can't rule out a few strong storms this afternoon as a line of storms redevelops along this cold front. We could have some strong straight line winds within any storm that develops, and also some large hail. Those could approach severe limits. As of this point, the good news is this does not look like a major threat for tornadoes, at least not for northeast Louisiana, east Arkansas, and most of Mississippi. But another storm system develops later this week on Friday, and we'll have to watch that for the possibility of severe weather. For today, unseasonably warm and windy outside of any storm that develops. The wind blowing in between 15 and 25, gusting over 30 at times. Again, that line of storms moving through later this morning through the afternoon could contain some strong winds and even large hail approaching severe limits. Then for tonight, cooling back down just a little bit, some isolated rain showers. Then during the day on Thursday, warm again. We stay mostly dry, but that second stronger system developing Friday, setting off a round of strong to severe storms late Friday afternoon and Friday night, then finally cooling off and drying out over the weekend. Saturday and Sunday, a good supply of sunshine in the upper 50s and low 60s both days before warming up again by the beginning of next week.